Did someone say Lil Yachty? New Yachty? Won't diss you. Won't diss you. I like the hair. I like the cut. I like this beat. Everyone a little gay. Chat. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Like if you compliment somebody, say yo, like even just when I said yo, the haircut look fire, that's a little gay. Some would say that's a little gay, because that means I think it looked nice, and he's a man, and that's gay to say for another, like that's gay to say about another man. So it's not wrong. Also, does that make Yachty woke? Does that make this whole music video woke? Oh Jesus Christ! Someone send this to Tyrone. It's everywhere nowadays. Remember when Yachty just wanted to be cold like Minnesota? Now he's gay like Lil Nas X or some shit. I don't know.
These niggas ain't never had struggles. These niggas ain't never had issues. Cross me with rapping and tissue. I still going on like I miss you. Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you.
Okay.
Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you. Online, I'll never go dish you. If anything, I say I miss you. In person, we'll get right with you. In person, we step to your door. I'll drive the Rolls Royce like your door. Call that motherfucker inside the law. I love vodka, need it for four. Me and Twain, we rock like the Stones. I jump off a quarter at court. I love vodka, need it for four. Me and Twain, we rock like the Stones.
I love that. I ain't gonna lie. I could get a whole scheme of just that. I could get a whole scheme of that, and I would literally levitate off this chair right now.
Call that motherfucker inside the law. I love vodka, need it for four. Me and Twain, we rock like the Stones. I jump off a quarter at chrome. I fuck up a sack.
One more time.
I drive the Rolls Royce like your door. Call that motherfucker inside the law. I love vodka, need it for four. Me and Twain, we rock like the Stones. I jump off a quarter at chrome. I fuck up a sack for dome. I never kept up with the Jones. My earrings big as a bone. Me and Twain want the same cologne. Me and Twain fuck these bitches in twos. If it's up, fuck it the fuse. I need head on a blade. Brand new Mercedes, Alpine, bust out the grave. I done got two blades.
This is going on the playlist. Already, this is going on the playlist.
Bad bitch blazing, how about him pop out your face? How about him break out the cage? Eat up an X and day. I'm smirking behind these.
I love that little run. That little run dance he be doing, bro. Hold on, where's that? There it is right there. Won't dish you.
Eat up an X and day. I'm smirking behind these shades. It's that verse for her, she laid. How about him pop out the cage? How about him slide through fade? How about Crisco fades? Slide a cully straight through the blade. That's scrappy. I found receipts so the bitch get nasty. Pop it, pop out, go Gretzky. Bitch get cheeky, I guessed it. Ice that new necklace. Ice cross for X's. They week on accident. I fell in love with a Texan. How about him pop out the cage? How about him slide through fade?
It's something about this fucking flow, the beat too. Oh my gosh.
How about Crisco fades? Slide a cully straight through the blade. How about paint it all real like the Braves? How about give you a raise? How about Molly's beige? How about low flight days?
Oh, the screen gone? Oh my god.
You see me, feel me, you cap, you need an Emmy. You got, you dimmy, you slime past your limits.
Is that an ad lib or the beat?
Molly's beige, how about low flight days? You see me, feel me, you cap, you need an how about low flight days? You see me, feel me, you cap, you need an Emmy. You got, you dimmy, you slime past your limits. I can see all your gimmicks, I can tell you're timid. I pop out the Senate, put a bad bitch in a blender. How about, put a bad bitch in a, how about blend? How about blend? Blend. What the blend?
That's how I feel. What the fuck?
That nigga spin.
He on his own shit. Bruh, he on his own shit. Oh my god. Bro is just in his own world and he's fucking destroying it, bro. I love this shit. It's like this nigga not even trying. It's like he's not even trying, bro. Yo, Yachty, I'm so happy for Yachty. I don't know why. I'm just happy for him, bro. Shout out Yachty. He's a good fucking dude. He's a good fucking dude, bro. Fucking shout out Yachty. Holy shit, I love this song.